Mastering Formal Business Attire. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the world of business attire, specifically focusing on formal business attire. This type of clothing makes a statement about professionalism and can influence the first impressions people form about you. Let's get started. Formal business attire refers to the clothing typically worn in corporate environments, especially during important meetings, interviews, or events. This dress code is designed to project professionalism and competence. Men often wear suits. Dark colors like black, navy, or charcoal are common. White or solid-colored dress shirts. Ties. Avoid overly flashy designs. Leather shoes, usually in black or brown, and matching belt. Women often opt for business suits, which can be pantsuits or skirt suits. Blouses, not too low-cut. Closed-toe shoes with moderate heels. Conservative jewelry and accessories. Adhering to a formal business dress code is crucial for several reasons. 1. Professional image. Dressing formally presents you as competent and serious about your role. 2. Respect for the occasion. It shows that you understand and respect the significance of a meeting or event. 3. Cultural expectations. In many cultures, business formal attire is a standard, and straying from it can be seen as disrespectful or unprofessional. While there are commonalities in formal business attire worldwide, there are regional differences. In Japan, for example, dark-colored suits are favored, and men often wear white shirts without any patterns. In India, while Western-style suits are common, many also wear traditional attire like the sherwani for men and saris for women on formal occasions. In the Middle East, men might wear long robes known as thobes with a head covering, while women might opt for tailored versions of traditional dresses. Always research the specific expectations of a region before attending a business event there. Understanding and adhering to formal business attire can play a key role in your success in international business settings. It's about more than just clothes. It's about showing respect, professionalism, and cultural sensitivity. We hope this video provides clarity on the topic, and remember, when in doubt, it's always better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. Happy learning!